Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to fix Voicemod if it's not working on Discord. Now, if Voicemod isn't working, it's usually just an input settings issue, not a bug. So we're going to line everything up correctly. So first, you want to open Voicemod and go to Settings. From here, you want to set your microphone to the mic you normally use. For output, choose your headphones or speakers to avoid echo. Next, go ahead and open your Windows sound settings. So from system, you want to go to sound, scroll down a bit, and you want to set this to Voicemod virtual audio device. This second option, so it must have here a Voicemod just beneath microphone. All right. Plus, you want to make sure that this is set as your default device. So to do this, just click on this and make sure that this is turned on. Now we go to Discord. Now on your Discord, you want to go to settings. Then you want to be at voice and video. Scroll down a bit. So under input device, you want to select default. So it's both default here, as you can see. Again, it's going to be you have to select default, not your real mic. And this makes Discord listen to Voicemod instead of your raw microphone, which is exactly what you want for the soundboard to work. And once that's done, join a call and test your soundboard. If you see your Discord profile lighting up when you play a sound, that means Voicemod is successfully routing audio through Discord. If it still doesn't work, restart Voicemod and Discord, then repeat these steps. That normally fixes it as well. And that's about it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!